Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Michael King back again with another analysis video. So this video I'm going to analyzing the EURUSD. As you can see, this is EURUSD on daily time frame. I already marked some key levels on EURUSD. I'm going to explain the key levels I marked all the way from this period down to what's happening to EURUSD currently. So you can see that right here in this period, price of EURUSD fell all the way down to this point, and price met the support level right here, as you can see. So this support level right here, price and price made an upper movement, and price met a resistance level right here, which traded price the first time, second time, and even the third time, until price eventually fell all the way down to this point, breaking the previous support level right here, as you can see. So price fell all the way down to this point, and price met a new support level right here, which rejected price, and price made an attempt to retest this level. This level was once a support level, as you can see, but now acted as a resistance level for EURUSD, and rejected price, and price fell once again to test this level that was once a support level, as you can see. It was once a support level right here. So once again, it rejected price, and price made an upper movement, but midway price was rejected, and price fell all the way down to this point, breaking this support level right here, as you can see. So price met another new support level right here, which is the price, and price went up to retest the level that was on the support level, as you can see. But now after the resistance level, and price fell all the way down to this point, and eventually price broke this level that's on the support level. Price broke it, and price fell all the way down to this point. So currently on EURUSD on daily time frame, you can see that this is the major support level right here for EURUSD, and if you look at it from a longer term, you can see that it has been a downtrend, and price has been falling all the way down to this point right here. So right now, I'm going to switch to the H4 time frame so you can have a wider view of what's happening on EURUSD currently. So as you can see, this is EURUSD on the H4 time frame, and this was the previous support level right here, as you can see, until the price eventually fell all the way down to this point. So as you can see right here, I mark a minor level right here because of, as you can see, this level once rejected price right here when price broke the level. So when price broke this level, price fell a little bit to this area right here, which rejected price, as you can see, and price went up. So it means we have like a level right here, then we also have another level right here. And if you look at EURUSD currently, you can see that when price fell down all the way to this point, price went up, and price is likely to test this level right here, and price must first clear this level before we can see further move to the upside, and this is the next level for EURUSD. So I'm going to explain what you're going to do right now if you're thinking of buying or if you're thinking of selling EURUSD. If you're thinking of buying EURUSD, you have to wait for price to fall all the way down to this point to retest the support level right here. Then you see the strong candle, you can place a buy stop order right above it, apply Forex management. Or you can wait for price to break this level right here. Then probably the price to go up a little bit to retrace to test the level right here. Then you see a rejection, that is this level acting as a support level for EURUSD. Place a buy stop order right above it and apply Forex management. Then if you're thinking of selling EURUSD, then you have to wait for price to get to this level right here. Then if you see a bearish reversal candle, then you can place a sell stop order right below it, apply Forex management. Or you can wait for price to clear this level to retest this level right here. Then if you see a bearish reversal candle right here, meaning this level wants to reject price, you can place a sell stop order right below it, apply Forex management. So that's all on EURUSD analysis. If you do enjoy, please hit that like button, so share to your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.